Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 10 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check, in my case my Spotify one, and enter your current login method. Then select this little eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!